Kathy here with Diamonds and Coffee, and I am very excited for this unboxing. This is my first Dreamer Design kit that I've ever ordered. So it came in this nice thick box. I've not even peeked at it yet. And it's probably the biggest one that I've ever done. So first I want to tell you about it. I first seen this kit from Diamond Paintings by Laura. She has a YouTube channel. I really enjoy her channel. She has a lot of different ideas on there. She does a lot of unboxings and gives some new storage ideas and stuff like that. So I was watching her channel and she had this. And this is called Hydrangea Island and is licensed art by Debbie Wetzel. It is a 60 by 80 round, 67 colors, 4 ABs, and 1 Dreamer dust. So let's get into this. Let me get my scissors. So I ordered this and I saved like $10 from using Laura's code. I also think the Dreamer Designs has buy one, get one 50% off, or sometimes they have buy one, get one free. They do have different sales like that. Comes in this really pretty box. The handle. I can't believe how fast this arrived too, because it didn't even take a week to get it. Don't mind my table, guys. This was my old craft table that I used to paint on and everything, and it doesn't, the paint, I tried several times to get it off. It won't come off, so it's my craft table. And I needed a bigger table just to do this unboxing. I hope the setup is going to be okay. All right, Dreamer Design. It has its own branding on this package. It's like a dust cover. In case you've never seen one, I've seen them unboxed on YouTube, but I've never had one until now. Honestly, my budget does not allow me to buy these premium kits very often. I only have a couple of Dreamer, not Dreamer Design, Diamond Art Club. I have a couple of those, and this one is my first one. So it comes with this really pretty purple ribbon. This is like velvet soft. It does have the scalloped edges with the little perforated line there, and this is supposed to help it from fraying, because some of the, if you get budget friendly kits, some of them do fray. So let's see which way is up here. All right, well, let me do the toolkit first. I've never seen their toolkit in real life. Comes in this really soft little bag with the purple drawstring. All right, let's see what we got in here. Pen, another pen. Oh, this one looks like, that's a different kind of tip. Huh. Oh, these are nice. Nice metal tweezers. Ooh, 2 plates of wax, purple wax. Love it. And these do have a film on it, so you need to take the film, pull the film back before you use it. All right, put that cover on. Sometimes these waxes dry out, which I've never had happen, but we have 2 of these squishies that go on the pen. There. Goes like that. There's 2 of those. And let's see, a straightener. I have metal straighteners, and then a couple of the, what's it called? I can't think. And then you have this, it's like a divider in case you want to use two different colors. So, yeah, multi-placer. This is a multi-placer. Two of them. All right, so that is the kit, and it does have some baggies. So that is that. Yeah. All right, let's open this up. I don't even know if I'm gonna have enough room on this table, guys. I'm pushing back a little bit. Wow. This is gonna be the biggest one that I have ever done or attempted to do. All right, so it has, these are all stickers. These can all come off, these little stickers here. This is your sheet for your kitting up all the colors here. This has a sticker that says I love diamond painting. These all come off. And if you keep them in a logbook, that's what you can do with these stickers, is put them in your logbook. Let's see, is this open? Oh no, I guess that's it. Cool, cool little stickers. So it has 67 colors. All right. So, sorry, this thing is bouncing around. They have a Dreamer Design instruction book. And all the diamonds. Wow. I think that's the biggest diamonds I've seen. Hydrangea Island. Beautiful. All right, let's see if you guys can see all of this. I know there's going to be a glare. Paint with passion. So the whole bottom is the hydrangeas, and then you have the lighthouse and this little house here, some pine trees in the back. And you know why I bought this is because it brought back memories of Cape Cod. If you guys have ever been to Cape Cod, Massachusetts, you might know what I'm talking about. The lighthouses, well, it's been years since I've been there, but the hydrangeas were everywhere. Haven't been there, like I said, in quite a long time, but the hydrangeas remind me of Cape Cod. And we used to go every summer as a family when I was little. As a teenager, it was so much fun. So that's why I bought this. I think a lot of people gravitate towards color, or they gravitate towards memories when they buy certain kits. At least I do. So let's check out the colors. Let's see. I'm just going to pick out the special ones. Hold on one second. Okay guys, so there is 4 ABs in one. It's Dreamer Dust, I guess is what they call it. So I found the ABs. Really pretty. Blue. And is that an AB? No, that's not an AB. The green one is an AB. It's really pretty. And honestly, I do not know where the diamond dust is. I don't know if it's a certain letter, a certain number. Like I said, I've never ordered one before, but it supposedly has diamond dust. So that is that one, but yeah, this is going to be so beautiful. I'm going to kit this up today and start working on it. I just want to check the stick. Very, very sticky. Very sticky. course, it's very clear. It's hard to tell in my camera. And this painting is almost too big for my table. My gosh. I don't usually work on big ones like this. So this will be my very first 60 by 80. So soft on the back. Has very nice thick cover. And I guess up here on the top it has all their information, like all the social media, Facebook and whatnot on there. So, all the pretty colors. I love it, love it, love it. I might have to use 2 kits to kit this up because I only have up to 60 on my storage kits there. So, you guys, I hope you enjoyed it. I'm excited to get it started. I want to thank y'all for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate you stopping by. Have a great day. Bye for now.